Hey guys, welcome back to my channel VegFit. This is Priyanka here और आज के वीडियो में मैं करने वाली हूँ अनबॉक्सिंग ऑफ UltraHuman Cyborg। तो ये डिवाइस मुझे UltraHuman टीम ने भेजा है। थैंक यू सो मच द टीम फॉर सेंडिंग मी दिस। आज के वीडियो में इसको अनबॉक्स करूंगी एंड आई एम गोइंग टू पुट दिस डिवाइस ऑन माई हैंड क्योंकि ये एक वेरेबल डिवाइस है विच इज गोइंग टू हेल्प मी मॉनिटर द ग्लूकोज लेवल्स इन माई बॉडी एंड सी कि कौन से ऐसे फूड्स हैं जो कि मेरे ग्लूकोज लेवल को स्पाइक कर रहे हैं। सो लेट्स लुक एट द कॉन्टेंट ऑफ this box. इसमें क्या क्या आता है I'm going to show you, and also when I plug this chip on my hand, let's see if it pains or not. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि शायद थोड़ा पेन हो सकता है, but let's see. This is the box. This is just a few details about what the product is based on and why there is a need for this kind of a product. There is a user manual जिसमें I think process है कि इसको किस तरीके से use करना है और कैसे I have to put it on my body. There are 3 stickers that they have provided here. So once I put the device on, this is the sticker that I'm going to use on top of it. And this is the actual sensor. तो अभी ये box खोल के I will show you कि ये कैसा दिखता है. दिस बेसिकली हियर इज़ द सेंसर पैक जिसके अंदर वो डिवाइस है और ये है उसका एप्लीकेटर। इसमें जो ये सेंसर है इसको इस एप्लीकेटर में माउंट करके एंड देन वी हैव टू पुट इट इन। सो आई एम जस्ट गोना टेक अ लुक एट द मैनुअल एंड सी द स्टेप बाय स्टेप प्रोसेस। In this user manual एक ये barcode you have to scan so that it shows you the video of how you should use this device to insert and activate. Now this is the chip and this is the applicator, so I'm gonna put this on and press, take it out. So here the pin is already mounted as you can see, and this is a tiny pin that is gonna go in, and I hope it doesn't hurt. I'm really right now a little bit scared. So basically what you need to do is wipe the area जो कि जहाँ पर हम ये insert करने वाले हैं and let it dry. So this is where it is going to go. Oh God. So shit, I'm so scared looking at the needle. Can you do this for me?
But no, you'll only know how much painful it is. I don't want to push it so that.
Okay. Oh God, I can't do this myself. All right, I am going to do this now. Let's see if I can do it myself. Is this position okay, Swami?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, for somebody who is so scared of needle. Okay, yeah, it is hurting a little, like इंजेक्शन लगाने के बाद वाला जो पेन होता है, and since I'm damn scared of it, it was not easy for me to do. I asked Amit to help me out, but then I thought कि नहीं, मुझे खुद करना है ये. Okay, it is hurting a little. Okay, yeah, it is not that bad, but I think I'm just too scared of needles. So okay, it's kind of better now. So here it is. Now let me put the sticker on top of it. Is this okay? Okay. Last thing is to activate the device. So there are a bunch of questions that the app is asking in the beginning in terms of how fit I am, what is my current exercise level, what is my goal, basically. So there are a bunch of things that I'm just filling in. So now I'm going to pair the biosensor, and the way to do it is that you'll get this pair biosensor screen. Okay, so now I just have to click on pair. Okay. Alright, so with that sound it got activated. You have to turn on the NFC on your device for sure. Your sensor will be activated after 60 minutes. So it says that the glucose sensor has been activated, but the and your sensor will be activated after 60 minutes, and it might take me some time to get the first reading. So why I'm using this device is because I mostly eat a lot of clean food only, but still I believe ki there is some information that we are not able to gauge from the food that we are eating and how it is actually going in our body and how it is reacting with our body. So I need to understand that which are the foods that may be causing a lot of blood sugar spike, and what are the things that I can do to improve my performance in the gym. So if this device helps me get to that level, nothing like it. And I'll be sharing another video on this कि मेरा क्या experience रहा UltraHuman Cyborg के साथ में. क्विक अपडेट, मुझे ऑलमोस्ट 2 आवर्स हो गए हैं UltraHuman Cyborg जी को अपने आर्म पे लगा के. एंड if you're wondering ki does it pain, it does for a little bit. So I think for an hour or so I had bit of a pinching pain and little bit of discomfort. It's reducing now, so I think this is fairly normal because I checked with the team that does this happen. So they told me yes, it is a normal feeling that for a couple of hours you'll feel that little bit of discomfort or that pain where it's like once you have your blood tested and after that there's like bit of pain that is left for a couple of hours. That's the kind of pain that you will experience. So this was the completion of the unboxing and inserting the UltraHuman on my arm, and I'll be monitoring the glucose levels through the next couple of weeks. Super excited for it, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.